Okay, we're over on Amazon and we're looking at the electric patient lift transfer chair. This is actually looks like a pretty good unit overall. It seems like it's a lot easier to use than a Hoyer lift, and it's basically made for people that aren't able to bear weight through their legs. Um, there are a couple of drawbacks to it, but I think overall it's actually pretty good. We're going to watch a video here. And it's going to show you how to use it, how to get a person onto the lift. Um, One of the things that I don't particularly, well, I think can be improved is that this particular setup, the seat that the girl is sitting on in the video, it has to stay underneath her at all times, even if you transfer her to a sofa or if you transfer her to a car or something like that. It has to stay on her. But the point is that the good thing about this particular unit is that it really is easy for the caregiver to use. Um, you don't really have to physically the only time you have to put hands on the patient is when you're getting them into or out of the bed, and maybe if you're trying to have them swing into the car. He's going to show you here in a couple of minutes what that looks like. But you can see you can spread the legs apart. You can put a chair underneath the patient and lower them down gently into the chair. Again, the problem is that the seat or the cushion that the girl is sitting on stays underneath her at all times. Uh, a person can stay in it, and I guess to showing how comfortable it is, you can take a person outside, transfer them back into their wheelchair, and then mobilize with the wheelchair and go someplace, I guess. Here it is showing that the person is going into the car. And it doesn't really show how they swing a person into the car, but it does show how they sit back into the car, which is probably a lot easier than having the person stand up from a wheelchair and get into the car. This is a pretty cool feature of this particular unit. It collapses down into a very small footprint, and it's able to be stowed into a mid-size car in the trunk or probably even an SUV. Um, she's showing you how easy it rolls, the brakes. You need about 5 inches of clearance underneath the bed or the sofa, wherever you're putting. Comes with a battery and a charger. Um, so I guess she's showing you how simple it is for you to use. There's a push button for up and down, has a hole in it for the commode, has a solid one for the seat, and you can adjust the height of that. So it actually it looks like a pretty good unit. Probably a little bit better than a Hoyer lift, a little bit easier to use, I would say. The only problem is that it's probably not covered by insurance, and that if you need something like this, it's probably an out-of-pocket expense.